Hi, everyone. My name is Mrs. Gorskowski over at Freedom, in case you don't know who I am. Today, I'm going to teach you a little bit about a very popular poetry device. So let me share my screen. There we go. Um, so today we're going to talk about repetition, and it's a very popular device used in poetry. A lot of really famous poets use it. Today, my learning objective is going to be that I want to teach you what repetition is so that you can use it in your own poetry. So before we talk about repetition, we have to know what repetition is, right? So the word repetition, when you think about it, what do you hear? You hear the word repeat. So that's what repetition is. It's hearing things or seeing something that keeps on getting repeated. When poets use repetition, it creates a pattern for the reader. It makes the reader feel something, feel a certain way. It catches a rhythm. So it gives them another thing to listen to when they're listening to the poetry, when they're reading the poetry. It can also be intentional. So the word that the author chooses to repeat is done purposefully to strengthen a feeling or an idea, or to really hit hard on the mood and tone in a poem. So yeah, you see this little guy here, repetition, repetition, repetition. So the example we're going to look at is from a poem called The Sun by Sandra Lysostos. So let's read together. You're going to notice really quickly what word is being repeated. The sun. Someone tossed a pancake, a buttery, buttery pancake. Someone tossed a pancake and flipped it up so high that now I see the pancake, the buttery, buttery pancake. Now I see that pancake stuck against the sky. So we actually have two words that are being repeated over and over again. We have the word buttery, there we go, and the word pancake. So now that we know there's repetition, as a good reader, we're going to go back and read it again and think about why. Why did the author choose those words buttery and pancake to be repeated over and over again? And what does that do for me as a reader? How is it making me feel? How is it making me notice things? So let's read it one more time. The sun. Someone tossed a pancake, a buttery, buttery pancake. Someone tossed a pancake and flipped it up so high that now I see the pancake, the buttery, buttery pancake. Now I see that pancake stuck against the sky. So for me as a reader, I'm getting a really strong sense of a pancake flipping up into the sky, getting stuck in the sun. So that word pancake is just making my brain focus on what a pancake is, what it looks like. And then you add the buttery to it, and now I'm picturing a slab of butter on a pancake. So the imagery is really what I'm focusing on in my brain. So today I'm going to challenge you in the Google form that's attached to do the same thing. You're going to read a poem called Car Sick. And I really want you to think about why there's repetition and what it's doing and why the phrase car sick is a great title for that poem. So thank you for tuning in today. And don't forget to do the Google form that's attached to today's work. And then get out and enjoy your day. Bye, everyone.